All right, here's part two. Okay, on the 4995 all-wheel alignment on a Toyota Camry. So I made the part one. Will there be a catch? Will there be a scam? Will they try to upsell you? Will it get done appropriately? Well, the results are in. The front end was way out because I had a lot of front end parts replaced. With that being said, they did not try to upsell me on anything. They didn't suggest any other repairs, any crazy pricing. Drive out price was around $57. I think there was $1 or $2 in there for some shop supplies or something like that. I can live with that. $57 all-wheel alignment. This is an I-95 Toyota in Brunswick, Georgia. I got to give these guys a thumbs up. We bought several vehicles here, and I got to tell you, that's a win. So again, and I get nothing for this. They don't know who I am, probably wouldn't remember me if they saw me next week. But this is I-95 Toyota in Brunswick, Georgia. And I'm a very pleased customer. Oscar was our rep in the auto repair shop. No pressure, all good. I call today a win.